Hello everyone, this is Angel and welcome back to my Paradise channel.
Derp,
Derpity derp derp
derp, derp,
derp derp diddy derp
derp, derp, derp,
derp derp diddy derp derp.
derp.
In today's vlog, we're leaving Cebu and heading to Negros Oriental for 4-day adventure. I'm so excited because this trip is all about relaxing, traveling, eating good food, and pretending that I have my life together. I am also staying at my friend's house so I don't have to spend money on a hotel. We love free accommodation around here. Shout out to Aaron and Mary Joy. I love lots. Everything was going perfectly until I started packing. Guess what I forgot? My shampoo, toothbrush, and soap. Basically, my entire personality. Oh my god. Out of all the things I pack, I forgot the things that actually keep me smelling like a decent human being. Imagine arriving at your friend's house asking, "Hi, can I borrow everything?" Oh my god. So anyway, before we continue, if you want to see my behind the scenes moments, exclusive content, and a little bit of my spicy side, check out my Patreon. The link is waiting for you in the description below, so I'll see you there. And now let's head to Liluan Port in Santander, Cebu. I rushed to buy my ticket because I wanted to catch the 12 p.m. ferry to Cebulan, not because I was late, but because my stomach was already making future plans. To be honest, I was craving something before I even arrived in Negros. The ferry fee for the motorcycle, including the passenger fare, was 360 pesos. Since I was traveling solo, yes, I'm single. Just kidding. I'm talking about my trip. After boarding the ferry, I went to the upstairs, found a nice seat, and just enjoyed the view. You know what? I actually love riding Maayu shipping. Some people complain because it's slower than the other ferries, but me, I don't mind at all. The slower the ferry, the longer I get to stare dramatically at the ocean like I'm filming a Korean drama. Plus, looking at the beautiful sea distracts me from getting seasick. So thank you, ocean, for your emotional support. About a half hour, we finally arrive at Cebulan Port. Now here's the embarrassing part. I'm still using Google Maps. I've been here several times already, and my brain's still saying recalculating. Without Google Maps, I'd probably end up in another province. While driving, I was determined to find a coffee shop because I was seriously needed coffee. Like, my body runs on coffee. Without coffee, my personality is still loading. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a cafe. Either I missed it or my coffee addiction temporarily made me blind. So I gave up and stopped by Watson's instead to buy the toiletries I forgot. See? Problem solved. Now I can finally brush my teeth and stop looking like I just survived in the jungle. When I arrived at my friend's house, we got another surprise. Another friend came over, and just like that, 3 girls, 1 destination, unlimited chest mess. Honestly, if gossip burned calories, we'd all have 6-pack abs. After resting for a bit, we went to Robinson's Dumaguete to continue our coffee mission. And yes, we finally found the coffee. I wanted to order a hot coffee, but somehow my brain said ice. Sometimes I wonder if my brain and I are even on the same team. Luckily, it still tasted really good, so I forgave myself. After that, we headed to World of Fun, and of course, we found the karaoke room. One of my viewers once commented, "Angel, karaoke is your sport." Honestly, I think they're right. I don't sing because I'm good. I sing because I'm confident. Those are 2 completely different things. Poor microphone, poor people in the next room. But we had so much fun laughing, singing, and acting like we were having our own concert. To end the day, we visited the famous Dumaguete Boulevard. We enjoyed the cool breeze, took a relaxing walk, and my friends both matching anklets because they're best friends. Meanwhile, I'm just the unpaid bodyguard. And that's how we spent our first day here in Negros Oriental. If you enjoyed today's adventure, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next episode of my Negros Oriental trip. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, life is too short to forget your toothbrush, but if you do, there's always Watsons. Yes, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye everyone, and thanks for watching.